In this video, I will show you how to view and use speaker notes during a presentation in Gamma AI. Let's get started. From my dashboard, I'll begin by opening the presentation I want to work on, which is the Video AI Technology Guide. Once the deck is fully loaded and ready in the editor, I'll head up to the top right corner of the screen where the Present button is located. Instead of just clicking the button directly, I'm going to click the small drop-down arrow right next to it and select Presenter View from the menu options. This opens a dedicated window that contains all the essential tools I need while I'm presenting to an audience. This view includes a helpful timer to keep me on track and a clear preview of my current slide. To see my talking points, I'll click on the Speaker Notes icon on the left side of this window to open the Notes panel. I can also see a preview of all my cards as thumbnails at the bottom, which makes it easy to navigate between different sections of the deck. When I need to add or change a specific talking point, I can simply double-click the Notes area to start typing my reminders. And there you have it. That's the complete process of viewing and using speaker notes during a presentation in Gamma AI.